All right, I'm going to talk about Reaper's Media Bay. And you can see I've got a project here. And I'm going to talk about file management first. So when I've loaded the project in, I've hit save. And Reaper will automatically create a folder up here. And I've titled this week 6. And within my folder, I've actually put another folder called My Audio Files. And these have all the audio files that I'm going to use for this project. And the reason I keep it in the same folder is, like, say you wanted to send this folder to someone else using Reaper that was going to use your audio files or duplicate your audio files. You want all the audio files residing in the same place. So it's good to keep them all in the same place. Excuse me. So now we're in Reaper. If I go up to View, pull down menu, and I go to Project Media FX Bay, I'll click on it, and you'll get another window. And there's 5 tabs across this window right here, and I'll explain some of them. Some of them we'll get to when we work a little bit more. First one is your source media tab, and basically these are all the files that are used in a project. You can rename a file name just by double clicking on it, and you'll get a pull down menu. And in fact, if you double click on any one of these columns right here, excuse me, you'll get another pull down menu. So in this case, I have an Atmosphere copy. It's an Atmosphere MP3. The status tells you it's active. That means that it's in the track. Track name. This is what I've actually called the tracks in my Reaper project. So up here, I call this track pad, but I'm actually using the Atmosphere copy. So you can, again, double click to change the track name. You can double click on that, or you can just select it and rename it that way. Cancel. Or you can just rename it up here by double clicking on it. Either one of these things are going to take you to renaming the track. This is your length of your track. This is the file type, MP3, MP3 WAV. This is a sample rate for it. And then a comment. You might want to put a comment on. Again, you can double click, and I might say great pad. You know, something stupid like that. The green arrow will allow you to hear your loop. So if you click on it, you can actually hear the different loops. This will show you your path. You can expand the window by going here, and this will show you where it's actually located. In this case, it's user Rick P Desktop Week 6 My Audio Files. So it's a good idea to make sure all of these are residing in the same places. Next, we have media items, and this is a little different in that this includes everything that's in being used within this. If you notice, I have a synth in here, and this will show all your items, MIDI, etc., etc., etc. So basically, the idea with this is just this gives you a real synopsis of what files you're using, how they're being used, and where they're located. It's always good to check this media bay. Just if you want to rename things, hear things, make sure that they're located in the same place, or if you're missing something, you can look and see where the file resides, and you want to make sure that it resides in the same folder as your Reaper project.